Welcome to Duval Paint and Decorating, Southside, where we bring your decorating dreams to life. Our friendly team is ready to assist with all your painting needs. Discover the perfect finish for any project with our range of quality products. We offer an extensive selection to meet all your requirements. From vibrant paints to durable stains, versatile epoxy flooring to protective sealers, we have everything you need to transform any space. Our products ensure lasting beauty and protection. Our Southside location features top brands trusted by professionals. Quality and excellence are our commitments to you. Need help choosing the right color? Our expert staff is here to provide personalized advice. Explore our variety of home paint items, including ceiling paint and cabinet paint. We have solutions to enhance every room in your home. At Duval Paint and Decorating, Southside, customer satisfaction is our priority. We strive to provide exceptional service and products. Our knowledgeable team is always ready to offer guidance and recommendations. We're committed to making your shopping experience enjoyable and informative. Have questions or need assistance? Call us at 904-641-6664. We're here to help every step of the way. For more information, visit our website at duvalpaint.com/southside-fl-paint-store. Explore our products and latest promotions online. Duval Paint and Decorating, Southside, your partner in creating beautiful, personalized spaces. Experience the difference with us today.